Right, I hope everyone's doing alright. Quick video about Mad Dog's new book. So Mad Dog Survival done a book about firelighting, and I'll tell you what, it's really good. It's well designed and everything. So that's the book. Get it on Amazon. Quite a thick book. I mean, it's got, you know, I don't know, probably it's over 100 pages, I'd have thought. That's the back. I won't show you all of it, but I'll show you some of it. Very good book though, and he's done it excellent. The layout is brilliant. Colour photos in this one. I really like it. Really good book. Really well designed. I might have to nick some of your ideas, Mad Dog, because I like your layout. It looks much better like that. Whereas I normally used to do mine full page pictures, but this actually works better. And you can do the colour photos then. Full page colour photos makes the book too expensive. So see what I can tell you. Well, I'll show you the contents for a start anyway. Here's the contents. There's about 16 chapters. Plenty of different things. The need for fire, fuel for a fire, friction fire methods, solar fire, all different fire methods, fire making methods. I haven't read all of it yet, but I've read some of it. But so far, very good. And like I said, having written books before, the layout of this is really good. It looks really decent. I really like it. There's Mad Dog there doing a bit of fire. Really good book. Really well thought out. Really well designed as well. And the content looks decent. You all know Mad Dog. So what I'll do, I'll put a link in the description of where you can get his book. Like I said, on Amazon. More than likely, they're normally on every single Amazon, you know, UK, US, all over the world. So there it is, Mad Dog's first book. Alright, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.